Hello friends, I welcome to you in this standard, and we are going to learn the history subject, sources of history. Till A standard we have studied the history of ancient, medieval and modern India. In ancient history we studied different cultures, Egypt culture, Harappan culture, like that. In medieval history, we learn the the kings Babur, Akbar, like that, and modern India. And in this year, we are going to learn the history of India in the post-independence era. Post-independence means after independence. The sources of modern histories are different from the ancient and medieval history. Means source means what? Where we get available of the history, so we can study the history with the help of various sources. We know that the sources of history: written sources, material sources, oral sources, and sources in a audio-visual medium. Audio-visual medium means we can see also and we can listen also. For example, television is the modern sources of history, and in the modern period we have take the note of various sources of regional, state, national as well as international level. So we can write history with the help of these sources. So which are the sources of history? We can learn this. So here in your book, here are given sources of the history, written sources which means or which materials are available in this history: newspaper, then encyclopedia, periodicals, diaries, reference books, correspondence, document in archive, then government gazette, postage stamp, and encyclopedias. Encyclopedia means what? There is in the book, and in that book there is various information of book is there. Then diaries, we know we can written something in diaries. Then the reference book means if you want more study the information we got in reference book. Correspondence means what? Letters or like that. Then document in archive. Then archive means what? The place where our historical document are preserved is called history. And the main office of the National Archive of India is at Delhi, and it is the largest among the archive in Asia. So what is archive? The place where historical documents are preserved is called archive. And where main office is there? At Delhi, and it is the largest among the archive of Asia. The newspaper is considered as the fourth pillar of democracy in a modern period. So what is tell here? Newspapers are important, and it is called the fourth pillar of democracy in modern period, and they are important or main medium of information. If you consider the period from 1961 to 200, we see that in the beginning there is no alternative to the print media. Now this is a newspaper is important, and there is no other source of information. So which is, so newspaper means with the help of newspaper we get information. Then nowadays what happen? With liberalization and widespread use of internet in India, nowadays what is there? In net is there, internet is there. So on alternative from print media became available, yet the print media still continue to be powerful. Now this media become powerful. So what we get from newspaper? Newspaper contains matter related. We get information about national, international affairs. From newspaper, which information will give? National, international, politics, art, sports, literature, social and cultural affairs. Means which information will give? We read about politics, then national affairs, international means what is happening in other country, then information about art, information about sports, literature, social and cultural affairs. And newspaper contains means related the matters to human life, and most national newspaper had started the regional edition, and they publish supplement, give information about various topics. For example, on Friday there is information about health supplement, or if there is a birthday of any great person, there is a information about it. So newspapers, news settlers mean though set news, they what they do, there are various movements are there, the dailies or weeklies, political parties, monthly annual magazines are important among the prints of media. Means there are the types: monthly magazine, annual magazine, weekly magazine. Then they important on the print media. Some newspaper produce special supplements toward the end of the year to take an overview of the important events of the year. Such supplements helps us understand the important events of the year. Some newspapers are there, special supplements are there toward the end of the year, and it is taken view of the important events. What are the important events are there, they get information about it, and these supplements help understand two important events of the year. Then who do the work to printed newspaper? So there is a name of the trust. In newspaper also there is PTI, is word is there. PTI means what? Press Trust of India. After 1953, the Press Trust of India has been an important source of primarily details of all important events of article and important subject. The Press Trust of India has provided reports, photographs, and articles on financial and scientific issues to newspapers. PTI has now started its online service. During the 1990s, PTI studied using satellite broadcast technology instead of teleprints to send newspaper all over the country, and this material is important for writing the history of modern India. So in this passage there is information about Press Trust of India, and it is organization or institution, and it is work from the for the newspaper, and it is an important source of history, and it is give details of all important events of articles an important subject. And Press Trust of India has provided what is give reports, then give it photographs and articles on financial and scientific issues to newspapers. PTI has now studied its online service. Now, what is there? Online service is there. So, during the 1919, this PTI started using satellite broadcast technology instead of teleprinters to send news all over the country, and this material is important for writing the history of modern India. So what we see in these 2 points, what is the lesson? The source of history. And what is the written sources? And in written sources, what we see? The newspaper. We take about the information. And next point in this lesson, we studied next video. Thank you.